Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how I braid my hair. So I'm working with 5th Day hair, and this was first like a wash and go, then it was a braid out, then I even twisted it, then I put my hair in a bun. But now I'm just ready to put it into 2 braids so it stays out of my way. So I first start by splitting my hair into 2 and pinning one side up with the butterfly clips. You can find these at the drugstore, or I think they even sell them in Walgreens. But anyways, just take your water bottle and just spritz your hair so it's a little bit damp for the products that you're about to put in. Nothing too heavy, but you just want it a little bit moist first. So the product that I'm using is a Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea, and I really love this product because it really gets my hair moisturized for any style, whether I'm doing a wash and go or braid out, twist out, anything. It's just an all-around product for me and I love it. And you don't have to apply too much, you just want your hair moisturized. We're not looking for definition here, so don't coat every single strand of your hair. It's totally fine. So then I'm going to take the Lavish Curls moisturizer by Curls, and this has jojoba oil in it. It has aloe leaf juice and some other oils. And I like to use this because it really controls the frizz in my hair, and it really smooths the product on, and it's really moisturizing. It's not a thin oil, it's pretty thick. Well, it's sort of kind of thick. But anyways, I'm moving on to putting some Ecostyler in my hair, and this is the black Castor and Flaxseed Ecostyler gel. And I like gel for doing my braids because it really smooths my hair down, all of the little flyaways that I have. And as you guys can see, my hair is really smooth on top now. And if you need to apply some more gel, just go ahead. There's not a certain amount, just apply gel until your hair is smooth. And as you can see, I'm just putting some more to the ends because the ends were just a little bit dry. So now my hair is just more manageable and it's ready for me to just start these braids. So I'm just going to grab a section from my hairline and split that section into 3 equal strands. And you really want to make sure that your strands are equal and that no strand is bigger than the other, because as you start to braid, you're going to be grabbing your hair, adding more hair to the strands, and some of them will get bigger than the others, and you don't want that. You want them to all be equal in size. I like to braid my hair really tight to my scalp. I might leave these braids in for about 3 days, maybe 2 to 3 days. But yeah, when I braid really tight to the scalp, the style lasts longer, because I don't like to take them out and re-braid them again. That makes no sense. I'm going to speed this process up for you guys, but as I'm finished with the left side of my hair, I move on to the right side and apply my products all over again. Alright, so now it's time to just lay these edges down. And yes guys, I do have edges. Don't be talking about them, but I don't see no edges there. You ain't got no edges. Please don't make the mistake that I did and just snatch all of your edges back with the gel for your braids, because that's what I did. I just snatched all my edges and I just gelled them all up and then grabbed all of that hair as I was braiding. So as you can see right now, I'm just trying to work with what I can because I don't want to disturb the braids or anything, because it's really smooth. So I just take a little bit of the Ecostyler gel and just put that on my hair and just slick it back. And yeah, I'm using a toothbrush. It's 2019. Using a toothbrush for your edges is totally fine. And honestly guys, I feel everyone should, if you're doing Dutch braids or French braids, you just have to do your edges, because the edges really brings the look together. Then I'm just gonna grab my scarf and I'm gonna fold that in half and I like to put the scarf on my edges I mean, you could put it on your entire head. I do that sometimes too. But right now I'm just putting it on my edges. And I'm just gonna leave that on for 15 minutes. And then I'm just gonna go and do my makeup so that I look a little bit more cute and presentable. And come back and show you guys how it looks.